hand sanitizer is sold out everywhere, and you know, there's different ways you can make it, and a lot of recipes that I saw consisted of rubbing alcohol and aloe vera gel that you'd buy at the store. However, those things are all sold out. Maybe not the aloe vera, but definitely the rubbing alcohol, because I tried buying 99 proof for my special effects makeup, and they sent me one bottle and it was supposed to be two, and then it was sold out, so they couldn't even send me the rest of my order. So I've been doing some research, and I found that you can use like your house plants. So I have a huge aloe vera plant that I purchased at Lowe's. It was last summer, and I think it was like $5 because it got some like sunspots, and got it for $5. It's been in my room, and this is how big it is. It's like huge. And so I cut 2 of these. Ooh. Oh, it's leaky. So anyways, there's my aloe. Okay, so that was my aloe. I'm gonna cut up, and then since I don't want to use my rubbing alcohol, because I mean, I only have a little bottle and I got it for makeup. I also read that you can use alcohol, like drinking alcohol, but you have to make sure that it is above a certain percentage of alcohol. So like vodka. Alright, so basically we're a Tito's family, so you can't use Tito's because it is 40% alcohol, and the FDA says it should be above, I believe, 50 or 60, I think it's 60% alcohol. So this is out, but it's great for drinking. If you can, I don't know if you can get this in PA now. I think you can now, but we have this bottle of Everclear that we got down in Maryland. It's always good to have a bottle of Everclear because, you know, Jello shots, but this is not like good for drinking by itself, because it even has like warnings like overconsumption can endanger your health, extremely flammable. So we're gonna make hand sanitizer out of this because I only need a couple cups, I think. Gonna cut this stuff up. So we just cut up all that aloe. I hope I got some good shots of it. It kind of smells like pumpkin, which is not what I was expecting actually, because I've only ever had little things aloe. Here is our aloe gel, freshly harvested, and we're just gonna pour some grain alcohol. Whew. It's just, the aloe is basically just for moisturizing, so the alcohol won't dry out your hands. Spin. Let's take a peek. Alright, so it's stringy. It smells like alcohol. I have an idea. I don't care who you use. Both of them, the big name companies. I'm using Young Living because that's who I was buying from. But that doesn't mean that I don't like doTERRA. doTERRA is fine also. I just got discount with Young Living. So Thieves Oil. It's also, oh, doTERRA people, please don't hit me. On Guard, I believe, is doTERRA's version of this. Perfect time for a pandemic. Thieves Oil, brief history, was created by thieves who would sneak into people's rooms that were dying or dead from the Black Plague, and this was a mixture of herbs and spices, and the thieves never got sick. So doctors, you know, got with the thieves and were like, hey, what are you doing that, you know, you're not catching the Black Plague? And it's because of this. So we're going to stick it in our hand sanitizer because we're kind of in a pandemic right now, and, you know, I think we could all use a little thieves oil. But let's like not like go and pillage people's houses yet. Like that's not cool yet. Give it some time. We'll see what happens. And I don't know how many I'm doing. I'm just gonna do a bunch of drops. I might even just put this whole bottle in because why not? I haven't even been counting how many I'm putting in. Kind of just want the thieves oil to like mask the pumpkin smell of the aloe. Something's really interesting too is a lot of my essential oil has fallen. So it's an oil, you'd think it'd be at the top, and it's actually like going down to the bottom. But not really to like the very, very bottom. We're gonna blend this back up a little bit. Emulsify it. I think we're done. This is my homemade hand sanitizer. It smells like delicious thieves oil and alcohol, and it's moisturizing. It dries, which was nice. And now I have to find some bottles to put this in. Plastic squeeze bottles and little lids. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna package them up, and if anybody wants to try it, let me know. I'll give you a bottle. Unfortunately though, I don't have any more of these. So if this works and people like it, we're gonna have to think of something else. Or you can keep your bottle and maybe I can refill it. That's an option.